the Palomar knot, the strongest knot you can use. We're going to show you how to do it in 1 minute. To start, pass the line through the eye of the hook for about 4 to 5 inches of line. Now double the line back and pass it back through the eye of the hook, creating a loop through the eye. Now bring the loop back up and wrap it over the main line and tag end. Pass it through the loop made just under the eye of the hook. Without tightening, now bring the loop up and over the hook and back just below the eye. Now moisten the knot with saliva or water and pull the tag end and main line against the hook to tighten. Make sure to trim the tag end. And there you have it, the perfect Palomar knot. This knot is widely considered the strongest knot you can use. Make sure to save this tutorial so you can refer back when needed. Let us know what knot you would like us to do a tutorial for next. Tag your friends if you think they need any knot advice. And as always, follow CTR Fishing for more.